I almost forgot to start recording again. Alright, well, we have a tornado here. Well, soon to be one. Move out, move out, move out. Get on the right road, please. I beg. Yeah, we're on the wrong road. Okay. Go, 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 go. Everyone's just following each other. Look at that. Look at that intelligence. Oh my god, I'm just smarter. Why does it need a polygon? There we go. Look at that. Look at how smart I am. Oh my god, we're better than all the other chasers. Oh my god, he's up the fastest car. Bro, he's gotta be there. He's gotta be there and fast. You kidding me? Is it gonna do anything? Is it gonna do anything? Okay, we shouldn't need this. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, yeah, get on this way, for sure. Zero visibility. Keep traveling down. I really need this. Are we running its path? It's moving up. We run, we run, we run, we run. Replace the probes, we gotta leave. We gotta leave. We gotta leave. Move, 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 move. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Excellent. Excellent stuff right there. We can get a few extra dollars with our mesonet. It's lifting. It's lifting the chaser vehicles. No. Not like this, not like this, not like this, not like this, not like this. It's lifting chaser vehicles. It's F5. It literally became F5 right there. 165, 166, 164, 163. What the hell? It was just F2. What happened? What the hell just happened? It was just F2. Well, I'm glad I got out of there. Oh my god, it's a scramble. There are TIVs in this thing. What? There are Dominators and TIVs just flying around this thing. This is insane. I am so glad I got out of there. What? The 166, 166, 164? Damn! This thing just literally formed. Yeah, look at these guys, they're getting dragged. Oh. That was really good. That was incredible. That is definitely going on YouTube. Whoa! Whoa! Once again, they're just Dominators flying around. Oh my god, 154. Alright, let's get our probes. Let's get our probes. Where are they at? Look at these champions right here. Look at these absolute champions right here. These three. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. There's no way we can intercept this thing again. There's just no way. How are we gonna hit it? This thing at 5 again? Yep, it is. Rest in peace, Nateville. Nateville is gone. Oh, let's stay away from this thing. I don't care if it's F4. That thing is strong. Oh, the fucking Tiv 2. It just got tossed. It just tossed this Tiv 2. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, let's stay away from this monster. For sure. It's tossing debris. Yards. Hundreds of yards at hundreds of miles an hour. Look at that one. Oh my god. This thing is a monster. That guy's fucked. What is that? What is he doing? What is he doing? This is insane. It's so fast. It is actually moving insanely fast right now. I can't even intercept it on this. It's just too fast. I have to intercept it on this road. I don't even know what this material is. Is this gravel? Yeah, I'm absolutely not going to race it there. It's curving up. And it's only F3 now. That was indeed gravel. Just skip it, just skip it. Alright, which direction is it going? Oh. Oh, we are in the danger zone then. We're in the super mega danger zone right now. Should be right in its path. I would check again just to make sure, but we gotta go. We gotta go right now. We have to leave. By the looks of things, it's gonna miss the probes. Aw, man. Yeah, it's traveling right into me, actually. Those probes are done for. I should have waited until, like, now to deploy them. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We already made our money's worth on this one. Actually, hold up. It might be traveling right into probes. Wait, there's another one? And it's even bigger? Wait, hold up. It might actually be going right over the probes. It is. It is, it is. 78, 79, 80. Oh, 93. 92, 91. Just need to recover my probes now.